Hi, welcome to the STAIR tailored video. My name is Samantha Boss, and I'm from the University of Texas at Austin. I'm here today with the Project STAIR team to look at how we can implement DBI for the synchronous and asynchronous learner. And this video is a little bit different because we're going to listen to a clip from a webinar that was made by the Project STAIR team. They're going to give us specifics on remote learning tips implementing DBI. Helping us out today is Alain Mota from the Southern Methodist University. I'm going to let him take it away with some strategies for implementing DBI remotely.
Well, we will now discuss what DBI might look like in a virtual environment. Remember that some of the examples that we share today in the presentation have been provided by practitioners on the field or by personal experience. So therefore, you should not be viewed as endorsements, but more things to prototype and continue to learn from. So a number of studies have shown that online learners link experience satisfaction to instructors' social or virtual presence. Interaction and presence is key, which should be a part of building a supportive community. Make sure that you take time to ask how they are feeling, as DBI promotes a lot of individual work with the student. Making the students feel comfortable and allowing them to elaborate will establish that you are concerned and care really goes beyond just the content. Get to know them beyond the academic. Asking questions like, what's your favorite show? What music you're listening to? What apps are you using? How are you communicating with your family and friends? Are easily things that you can continue to promote that community. Some of the community building can also go beyond the virtual. So sharing something that Susan Yergler, author of the article, How to Create Community in the Virtual Environment, she suggested things like driveway visits, phone calls, letters in the mail. These are some things that you can actually promote to do that are going to bring both a smile to you and the student. So in the virtual environment, things that might seem intuitive for some might be completely foreign or difficult for others. So the first thing that you need to do is ensure that whatever learning management system you are using, that the student is capable of seeing the material and really documenting their work and their efforts in a way that is really productive for them. If students are familiar and comfortable with the workspace, there's a higher possibility of success deploying our DBI strategies. The learning management system should be used to introduce concepts and manage flow of information with your asynchronous activities so that you increase the student contact time with you. And specifically for DBI, think about a way that LMS can assist you in collecting data. Collecting data consistently will increase your students' comfort with it and the system over time. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is making your synchronous time interactive. You will not only increase engagement by developing slides where students can interact, but you will also mimic the act of observing students performing a task. A virtual whiteboard or even a presentation slide that the student can actually manipulate allows you to see their work in real time. So some platforms that I put right here as an examples like Jamboard from Google or Mural or Miro are very user-friendly. The use of manipulative objects virtually, such as BrainCamp, which has a free month trial, has features that are useful for DBI, such as algebra tiles, fraction circles, or just practicing operations. So specifically for DBI, DBI specifically addresses the use of fluency and the use of manipulative objects. So these whiteboard platforms will allow the teacher to interact with the students, mimic virtually moving and manipulating virtual objects. So you want to ensure that these occur 3 to 5 times a week for probably 20 to 30 minutes. I actually left a tiny URL link to the mural so that you guys can actually go and play around with that platform and really help the students interact with that. It provides an opportunity for you to play around with it. Consider the learning. If you are using DBI through the use of videos, ensure that the videos do not exceed the attention span of the learner. So in your asynchronous task, videos can be easily broken down into more manageable parts using PowerPoint or Google Slides. There's evidence that the students tend to start losing focus on videos after 9 minutes. Keep them short and the videos will be way more productive. Students also prefer to see you working out the problem. So using things like Screencastify or even the record button on the Zoom can actually allow you to upload videos with you as the main character. So students specifically supported by DBI will respond to small, productive, asynchronous activities. Video time should match the student's age as a starting baseline. So very important, engaging in dynamic mutual feedback. As part of DBI assessment and progress monitoring can be enhanced using virtual tools. These tools allow the students to have interactive experiences and engaging in creative ways of responding and communicating virtually. Allowing the students to provide feedback in the forms of videos or chats can further deepen the sense of community and continue to set habits for students that will promote the use of benchmarking for analyses. These platforms like Flipgrid or Socrative can be used to check for understanding or check individualized progress monitoring. Finally, the one thing that we will endorse is our actual Project STAIR videos. We have had a link right here and a QR code. We have a myriad of playlists that range from best practices for teachers and classroom management strategies to actually content-specific material like teaching quadratic expressions, fractions, geometry, and a whole lot more. So ensure that you visit our YouTube virtual playlist.
Thanks, Alain, for that really great information. So just to provide you with a little bit more information on the full webinar series, the 3-part webinar was titled Implementing DBI with a Focus on Mathematics During COVID Restrictions. The 3-part webinar series was put on by the National Center of Intensive Interventions, and I'll be ensured to include the link below in the description of this video. The video is also supported by the American Institutes for Research. We hope that you check out the full webinar series as there's additional handouts and strategies to help you implement DBI in your mathematics classroom during these COVID times. Thanks again for watching this Project STAIR tailored video. We hope that you check out our YouTube channel, subscribe, be sure to see all the really great math content that's available there, and then also follow us on Twitter. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope to see you soon.